Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name. Hello everyone, welcome back. Simply Makeup here. In today's video, I am going to use all 12 shades from the Hummingbird palette. I found out that it's no longer available, but I bought this palette over 3 months ago, so this is the last video from it and I wanted to enjoy it. So this is the video with all the 12 shades on my little lids and eyes. But before we start, I wanted to say I did win a giveaway and it arrived, so I just want to open it quickly so we can start. Wow, I got a card. V. I will praise you with all my heart. Psalms 9:1. This is the front of the card. It's a beautiful card. I won this giveaway from Aged Graceful YouTube channel. Please visit her. Gorgeous, wonderful person. I am so happy to call her my friend. She is a beautiful person. She wrapped everything so nice. So now I gotta open it and see what I received. All right. Okay. Wow, that's right. It was the 12 days of Christmas she did, and there were lots of stuff. And I commented on something, and I actually win on that comment. And I was very surprised because I didn't know. I didn't know there was a comment for that. Ooh, I got the Seattle, London bronzed. This is the packaging. This is the outside. And oh my god, this is so pretty. Because it's pretty because I have planned to do a couple things, and this palette will be right on schedule. Yes. Oh my god, and I I won the 15th day, the 16th day, the 13th, the 14th, and the 12th day of Christmas. Okay, I'm going in backwards there, but you know. Ooh, and I did like this. Yes, lip color. This is all from Makeup Revolution. Okay, let's try going order. I'm always out of order, so. Ooh, and also the lip gloss. Yes. So this is number 12. This is number 13. Number 14. Oh my god, this is excited. Ooh, I think that's the brow pencil or the eyeliner. Oh, okay, that was 14. Now 15. Oh my god, thank you very much, Age Graceful. I am enjoying these little things. Okay, I think that's a brush. Ooh, okay, that is a brush. And then number 16. Ooh, that's the primer. I think that's an eye primer. Okay, all of these are from Makeup Revolution, and I won that from Aged Graceful channel. Okay, and then another gift. Yeah. Ooh, this is the exfoliating body polish by ESPA. So thank you, Age Graceful. I appreciate it very much, and that card, beautiful. Thank you. I am back with the complete look with all 12 eyeshadow looks on my eyeballs, my eyelids, my eyes. 6 on this side, 6 on this side. In no particular order, I have these colors on my left, which will be your right, and I have these colors on my right, which will be your left. So take a look. So that's what I have, all 12 shades from the Hummingbird palette. So now I am finished with the Hummingbird palette and I am ready to move on to something else. Today's word is prosperity. Let your prosperity begin. Start now, little bit at a time, and your prosperity will bloom. Let prosperity begin. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And Monsieur Saint Laurent, my grandson, grandma is rocking the fro for you. I know you were growing yours, but you cut yours. So I have my fro today for you, honey. Grandma love you. And with all the colors on my eyes, I am saying bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you, see you, see you soon. We're gonna see each other on a new palette and we will keep having fun. I appreciate you watching. And if you'd like to subscribe, please go ahead and hit your subscribe button and the notification bell. And as usual, I will see you soon.